Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the Facebook app cache and data that's saved on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button on this page. And then go down to the apps tile and you want to select that. And then underneath apps, select where it says all apps. And then scroll down again and select the Facebook app on this list. And then select where it says storage and cache. If you want to just clear the cache, just go ahead and select clear cache. Clear storage will clear the user data as well on the app. It's not going to delete your Facebook account, but it will just clear the storage on your device. Again, make your selection here. You can select the clear cache first and then relaunch the app, see if that resolves the problem if you're having a particular issue. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.